Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1030 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am trying out this MAC Cremesheen Lipstick that I got in shade Sweet Sakura number 233 in my November 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate Box. And I always get so excited when I get a MAC product, and I love MAC lipsticks. One of my favorite MAC lipsticks is, of course, the Ruby Woo Red, which is just the classic red lipstick. And so this one here is supposed to be a customizable red lipstick because it's supposed to be more sheer, and I'm really intrigued by that. This has a retail value of $19. It says it's supposed to be hydrating, so I am so excited to see how this looks. I'm going to start out with a swatch. Ooh, pretty. It kind of has a hint of sparkle to it as well. So I feel like this is going to look beautiful on the lips because it's going to have that shine. It's going to add that beautiful red color. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait any longer. I have to go ahead and apply it to my lips. Wow, that really is a beautiful bright red color. My only thing is I'm finding myself having to layer it up a bit because with just that first one swipe, it wasn't completely even and smooth. My lips are pretty dry, so it definitely seemed like it was clinging to the dry patches. Although it does have a nice hydrating texture, and as I'm wearing it longer and I'm rubbing my lips together like that, it does seem to be really smoothing out. And it does look pretty. It's just kind of like, I want it to be either opaque or sheer, and I feel like this right here is right in the middle where it doesn't look completely smooth in texture. So I am going to go ahead and layer up another layer. It definitely is buildable though. It's just too bad that one layer doesn't look even and flattering on my lips. I do feel like now that I'm layering it up to the point of being pretty opaque, it looks smooth. And I am so impressed that it really does look opaque now. So that's so cool. I feel like this is one of my only customizable red lip products that I have. And it is really pretty with that sheen. I know that there's going to be transfer because it is a creamy lipstick, but I'm curious how much. Yeah, a lot of transfer, a lot of fading from that. So that's the thing with these cream lipsticks. They are not long lasting. These will not last through eating and drinking. They're gonna get on anything your lips touch. So that's something that I don't love. So I don't always reach for these because when am I gonna be wearing lipstick and not eating? Or not drinking, or not having my lips touch anything? So just for me, it's so much easier to wear a long-lasting lip, as pretty as this is. Like, I like it, but I know it's not something I'm gonna wear very often, but it is pretty, it is comfortable, it's such a fun shade. I still had a lot of fun trying this out. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite MAC products are. I love MAC and I want to try out more products from them, so I'd really like to get your recommendations. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.